Okay, so we're going to add the Chrome Remote Desktop web extension to our Chrome browser. So you're going to go ahead and open Chrome. And then what you're going to do is you can see that I am already logged in. It says Monica. If you have a Gmail account that's already synced up, it will show. If you do not have a Gmail account, you will have to create one in order to use their support. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first show you how to check your extensions to see if you have it. Under extensions, which is the little puzzle piece right here, you can see that I've got the Chrome Remote Desktop, and I'm going to go ahead and remove it so that we can do it fresh. Then I'm going to go into my settings, and that's how you'll know whether or not you're synced up. So settings is the three ellipses, scroll down the list, click settings, and mine tells me you and Google. So it says that I am definitely signed in under this email. This is the email that will show up for students when it says to give permissions or share your computer. So if you don't want to use your personal one, create one that'll be used for work. I suggest CAC, Proctor, and your last name. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out so you'll know what that looks like. And mine is a little slow. So it says signed out, use another account, remove an account. So in this case, if you had another account, you would just click on that and then log in. I'm going to say I'm not having any, so you and Google, there's nobody there, and it's not going to show. But it's still going to let me add the web extension. So from here, inside of settings, I'm going to go to extensions. You can see it's not there. I've only got the basic ones, and I'm going to go up to the main menu, down to Open Chrome Web Store, and now the web store is going to open up, and I'm going to use the search box, type in Chrome Remote Desktop, and wait for it to load. So it's still searching for it. You can see mine's a little slower. And this might happen with students. It might take a little minute or two for it to show up. Okay, and here it is. You simply click Add to Chrome. And it's going to run through its little checks. And Add Chrome Remote Desktop, you click Add Extension. You can see down here at the bottom it's saying blah 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 blah, adding to Chrome. It has been added to Chrome. Do not turn on the sync. You'll regret it later. You don't need it. So what it's basically saying is to use this little icon up here in the corner. So I'm going to close it, go back to my puzzle piece, click the push pin so that it'll stay up here permanently, and then I'm going to use it. I'm going to go ahead and close these other ones. Okay, you'll see that it did not bring it up. It's asking me to choose an account. So you cannot use the remote desktop without being signed in. So I'm going to use the only one that I have at the moment. And my password automatically displays. And sorry for the slowness. And then here we are at the Chrome Remote Desktop. You see it's displayed. If I close it and I open the browser back up, it's still there. I click it. It goes right to their Google support. And remember, for students, they're going to generate a code, and they're going to give you the code so that you can give support. It should be 12 digits in 3 blocks of 4. You type in the access code and you click connect. On their end, it'll show up. saying such and so at gmail.com is asking permission. They click accept, and then you're into their computer so that you can do what you need to do and check everything around. And it's that easy.